Okay.
कि एक लड़की
Mm-hmm.
in this field, I'm not saying
No,
it.
it's fine. It's
like,
fine.
है ना, what is sommelier?
Basically, a person who is expert in the wine industry specifically.
Wine is so boring.
Oh, really? Okay. No one's a wine drinker.
इंसान या तो यहाँ पे पोहा खाता है या तो कैफे खुलता है.
Yeah, really agreed.
कहते हैं कि वाइन के बहुत सारे हेल्थ benefits भी हैं. Hey Apojis, this is episode number 1 of Founders Being Found. Today in our guest panel we have a proper definition of beauty with brain, sommelier Sakshi Shukla. Disclaimer before start, we don't promote and encourage any alcohol drinking or consumption and smoking, because guys, at the end smoking and drinking kills. So have fun. This sommelier word,
Yeah.
what does that mean? मतलब काफी लोगों को I think so कि in my generation, like I am not ऐसा so old and I'm not so new, we are in the same
Yeah.
generation. इस फील्ड में जब मैंने किसी को बताया कि about this wine tasting sessions or as a sommelier I think everyone asking कि what is sommelier?
Basically, a person who is expert in the wine industry specifically, the person who know everything about the wine, about the grapes, about how it will gonna taste, a person who will help you to pick up wines, a person who will help you to pick up the bottles, to design the restaurant menu specifically for the wines. So this is a conception about the sommelier. People got misunderstood by the term sommelier used. People think this is just a wine server, but actually it is not. It is more than just a word, a wine server.
Wine server, एक चीज मुझे जाननी है, जब हम ये कहते हैं wine server और एक bartender,
Yeah.
में इसमें कोई difference है?
Yeah,
Is it
so
the same thing?
bartender is comes basically works behind the bar, and sommelier as in specifically a term used for a wine expert.
सबसे ज़्यादा funniest misconception आपने क्या सुनी है about wine sommeliers and about the wine field?
So misconception is same ki a lot of people say like sommeliers are very pretentious. They just pretend like doing this and doing everything like that. But it is actually not. A lot of people misunderstood the terms for sommelier. Some people think it's just a wine server. That's what I see. And some people think it's just they are some just pretentious people who just pretend they know about wine. But actually they do. They do know about grapes. They do know about how it tastes and everything.
अभी आप सबकी ये thought process है कि
Yeah.
if you are drink wine, if you like wine, if you like to explore in a wine industry or something, so you are a very kind of a sophisticated person. You are very intellectual. But
Okay.
this is for fun loving. क्या ये fun loving चीज में भी एक fun या partying में भी useful है?
So people do actually categorize wine as a feminine drink, but I don't think so personally. There are a lot of misconceptions about the wine industry, about the wine people, about the wine experts, about the wine, but it's not. So yeah.
I think so. मैंने एक दो चीजें notice किया, like एक experience था कि I was sitting with my good friend of mine, and she's like very into this alcohol
I know.
thing कि यार मुझे ये भी explore करना है, मुझे पता है कि ये कितने years old है, कितना malted है, कितना ये सब चीज़ों में. तो मैंने ask करना कि यार what's your thing or what's your call about wine or something. So she's like, wine is so boring.
Oh, really? Okay.
Why is this word wine is so boring? Because हम जब whiskey, जब कोई भी अगर कोई दूसरी ड्रिंक्स की बात करें, so it's for every parties ना कि यार भाई पार्टी हो रही है, let's bring whiskey, let's bring beer.
Okay.
Beer and whiskey is a go to alcohol.
Yeah.
But in foreign countries, जब भी मैंने visit किया है, जब भी मैंने look forward देखा है, वहाँ पे wine go to drink है. Like everyone has their wine in their fridge.
Yeah.
कि अगर कोई आया है, कोई meet हो रहा है, so like shall we have some wine?
Okay, so
The
people
difference
see,
between India and that culture, how you can differentiate?
So basically, see, if you talk, cities like France or Italy or something like California, there is actually the place where wines are coming from. India is not in a general place.
जैसे कई लोग कहते हैं ना कि यार दिन की या महीने की अल्कोहल अगर आप बहुत कम कंज्यूम
Yeah.
करते हो तो इट्स नॉट हार्मफुल समथिंग, बट डॉक्टर्स कहते हैं कि नहीं, अल्कोहल इज वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर हेल्थ अगर
Yeah.
आप सिंगल आप एक ड्रॉप भी लेते हो
Yeah,
तो.
agreed.
बट लोग कहते हैं कि वाइन के बहुत सारे हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स भी हैं.
Yeah.
इज दैट अ रियल
Uh,
थिंग और इज जस्ट अ
it's-
मिथ की
No, it's
पसंद है
actually not a myth. It's true, but I think सुना ही होगा कि एक कहावत है कि whenever you take something in a limit, it's good. It's more than limit, it's bad. It can
मतलब
be
हद सबकी
everything. Yeah, so it can be a 1 or 2 glasses of wine daily. It is not harmful. I think it's a fact which run through from very past. Ki wine is very good for health. Wine is very good for your heart and everything. So yeah, it's true.
बट क्या लगता है आजकल लोगों का वो कल्चर वो चेंज हो रहा है कि यार अब वो पार्टी
Yeah, so
धूमधाम
people
ज्यादा
obviously
it's
like when you do a
cozy or
thing
something.
daily, someone will get bored anyways. I'm not saying party is a bad thing or like a boring thing. Obviously, it's
Obviously
not.
it's not.
Obviously, it's
But
not.
it's
But
like यार अब मैं भी फील
yeah,
करता हूँ
someday
कि
you need to
हाँ
change. Someday you need to explore. If you are a like monotonous person who are just going for daily parties, I don't think so. It will give you a lifetime experience.
So you promote wine in a different kind of a sector, like
Yeah.
you do sessions, you do. I saw some of your videos on your Insta where you tell कि यार what is wine, how to swirl, how to sip, and something. This is very interesting. जब
Yeah.
मैंने वो videos देखे थे. Apart from all this, तो इंदौर में क्या लगता है कि इस चीज़ की जो एक मास है या इसका जो मार्केट है, वो
Yeah.
क्या अभी विद इन आफ्टर 10 years और 5 साल क्या ये ग्रो करेगा
For
कि
sure, for sure. Even if you talk about certifications, there is actually WSET first certification launched by one of the restaurant in Indore. So I obviously like if the certification is coming to the city is growing in the wine terms and the other beverages other than the normal spirits like whiskey and beers.
So in this Indore alcohol sector, the club sector, accepting this wine thing in a mass,
Yeah,
अभी
yeah.
फिलहाल में
Like not as a mass, but the people I am reaching to and the people who are reaching to me, I think it's vast. Even I didn't expect it, a lot of people coming casually to the wine sessions and wine dinners, but they are actually, and they are more people taking interest in wines.
यार इवन दो इंदौर जिस स्टेज पे है जिस लेवल पे ग्रो कर रहा है in terms of not in terms of mentality social no
Yeah,
in terms
on
of business
everything.
in
I mean, everything. It's amazing. I mean, it's growing in a very great way.
इन अ वेरी ग्रेट वे एंड द थिंग इज कि जो मैंने जैसा बोला कि नई चीज़ों को एक्सेप्ट करने का वो जो एक वो कहते हैं कि मज़ा या वो
Exactly.
जो जिल होती है
Yeah.
वो इस सिटी में एक जिल दिखती है कि नहीं यार
Exactly.
I want to
And the
explore
people
this.
here are very, what I think is a very explorer kind of people who like to, do this, do that. This is not a like, very monotonous city where people are just doing the same thing every day.
मैंने अभी तक इंदौर में अगर सेशंस होते देखे
Yeah.
हैं तो इट्स जस्ट ओनली यू राइट
Yeah.
नाउ इन इंदौर हु इज डूइंग दिस फाइन
I
सेशन
think yes. Yeah.
सो व्हाई दिस ओनली व्हाई यू दिस इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग कि you only
So,
but why you only
so I spoke to people from industry and like earlier I was talking, a lot of people thought like this is not a growing city for wines especially and before starting the community part for building a community of the people who actually love wines. For wine lovers basically a lot of people told me no this will not going to work, there are only a hard liquor or basically LIT persons as LIT is famous in Indore. So a lot of people told me, but I didn't thought. I mean, there's a city where no one is a wine drinker. I can't see that city. So yeah,
so in India there is no specific city ki like jo second France ho jo like very much into wine
I mean I don't think so, but I have been to Mumbai and I see actually a lot of people drinking wine.
Yeah, even Bangalore is also
Yeah, even Bangalore.
Bangalore में मैंने देखा ये जो
Totally.
culture about the wine
Even
is
Bangalore,
very
yeah.
when you do your job and then when you start something
Yeah.
by your own so that's a big call up I feel that क्योंकि
Yeah.
जब मैंने मुझे याद है मुझे जब वो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली आप कह सकते हैं या सिचुएशन लाइफ गिव्स मी कि आई हैव टू ड्रॉप माय जॉब एंड ऑल एंड स्टार्ट माय own this hair purchase brand or business something so always ना I have one fear कि यार मैं कर तो रहा हूँ बट आई डोंट नो ना कि 1 महीने बाद 1.5 महीने बाद क्या होगा कैसे होगा what's your how's your journey being founder being found like जो हमारा टैग है like how founder being found
So see, I didn't start it basically. It's as a business perspective. I just started it off, so for building a community basically as for especially for the wine lovers, getting people educated about the wines, getting people to know more about wines and other spirits. So I didn't started it off basically as for as a business perspective that I want to earn money. I want to be an entrepreneur. Obviously, everyone likes it, but it's a long way journey to be an entrepreneur. It's not easy to say I am an entrepreneur. I don't think so currently. I'm just building. I'm just getting people educated. I'm just making wines easy for them. I'm just making spirits easy for them. I'm getting them a different kind of experience where it is tough to get in Indore. So yeah.
So now come to a very crucial question
Okay.
for you. It's not a crucial, it's just a thing कि एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो आप सुन सुन के शायद तक आप इस प्रोफेशन में रहते खुद भी बोर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड सब हो गए होगे, बट
Okay.
आई वांट टू नो
Okay.
कि एक लड़की
Mhm.
in this field,
Okay.
the thinking, the thought process कि यार
Okay.
this is a man field. I'm not saying
no,
it.
no,
Are
no,
you,
it's fine, it's
like,
fine.
है ना, this is a man field.
It's a very regular basic
Regular
question.
basic question. So like how you face the issue, problem, opportunities,
Uh-huh.
even though
Agreed.
there's an opportunity as well.
Obviously,
सबके
for
pros
sure.
and cons हैं. So tell me about this.
So, yeah, a lot of people think, कि, you know, ladki hai, why? Like, there are some relatives as well, there are some people as well.
Even though the judgments.
Yeah, the judgments, even like, I didn't care for it, like, from the child level, because I don't want it that way. My parents are different from the society. They actually supported
Yes.
me a lot. Like, I am where I am just because of my parents.
Blessed, yeah. Even the
Just because
same,
of my parents. Even though now my parents support, you know, reach to brands, do this,
मैंने
do
ये चीज
that.
फिगर आउट की है कि
My parents
पेरेंट्स
are-
अगर सपोर्टिव होते हैं तो देन you can do anything.
I know. I totally agreed. On it. But like, it's a very like, I don't care about. I just see opportunities. I see problems, but I don't care about that problems no more. I just see opportunities where, as a woman, you know, being an entrepreneur, about, you know, in the alcohol industry, it's, I think, a very great job to do. I love it.
But what do you think कि अगर ये in not job situation but whenever you do that situation of your personal or professional life something,
Yeah.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लोग कहते हैं कि हमेशा पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल अलग होने चाहिए, बट आई थिंक सो कि आपकी पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ अलग हो सकती है बट कभी अनलिंक नहीं हो सकती है. इट ऑलवेज लिंक्ड अप.
Yeah, obviously it's linked up. Obviously, because you make connections, you
Yes.
make friends out of business. You make you know, different connections, which is, you know, above than family sometimes. But I think it's in a good way if you maintain it. You know, a very professional way, a very good way where you are just willing to, you know, upscale your business and upscale whatever you are doing. I think it's a right way. There is nothing wrong about it. Till the time
Yes,
you are not taking it in a wrong way.
Thank you for being with us and
Thank
for
you.
giving me, not giving me only, the giving the whole the thing about knowledge about this wine and this field.
Mhm.
In this podcast, when I start this, I always think, yeah, इस podcast में I just want to explore the founders and the thing ना कि बात ये है कि ना आज अश्नीर ग्रोवर
Yeah.
या एक बड़ी बिग बुल्स के अगर आप नाम लो उन फाउंडर्स की, उनकी स्टोरी सबको पता है, बट मुझे ऐसा
Agreed.
लगता है कि देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टोरीज व्हिच इज गोइंग अराउंड इन इंदौर, बिकॉज इंदौर एक ऐसी जगह है, और नॉट इंडिया भी ऑब्वियसली, बट इंदौर एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे अब एक एम्प्लॉय माइंडसेट से ज़्यादा एक ओनर माइंडसेट ज़्यादा है. लोग उस माइंडसेट के चक्कर में बहुत फेमस कहावत है इंदौर में कि इंसान या तो यहाँ पे पोहा खाता है या तो कैफे खुलता है.
Yeah.
ठीक है, एंड
Yeah.
दैट्स द वेरी बेसिक थिंग कि हॉस्पिटैलिटी
yeah.
इंडस्ट्री इंदौर में
Yeah.
काफी टाइम से, बहुत पहले से बहुत अच्छी
It's
चलती
growing. Yeah.
है. इट्स ग्रोइंग. तो मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे जितने भी हॉस्पिटैलिटी सेक्टर में या कितने भी सेक्टर में जो फाउंडर्स हैं,
Mhm.
अब वो उस एज के हैं जिनके साथ मैं अब धीरे धीरे इनको देख के मैं उनसे सीखना चाहता हूँ.
Agreed.
क्योंकि अगर
totally
मैं फॉर एग्जांपल अश्नीर ग्रोवर, ऑब्वियसली बात है हर एक फाउंडर के लिए अश्नीर ग्रोवर भी सम काइंड ऑफ किसी ना किसी चीज़ के लिए लर्निंग के लिए या किसी स्किल्स के लिए अच्छा है,
Obviously. Yeah.
बट आप उस इंसान के पास अब मैं बैठ के नहीं बोल सकता ना कि अश्नीर हाउस यू टेल मी समथिंग ना यार कि मैं ऐसा कैसे करूँ. आई हैव you guys, I have the field and the community of you. I
Yeah.
just want to make, as you said, कि we are a community builders. Now I use this. I'm
Okay.
not a founder, I'm a community builder. So this APOGs wants to make a community
Mhm.
where the founders and their stories will inspire the local ones and the vocal ones. So thank you for
Thank
the
you.
episode 1, and we hope, cheers to this
Cheers.
founders being found from APOG.
So guys, follow them, the Heyop OGs, for, you know, more content about the founders being found, about the stories of the founder. If you want to know the story, where the, you know, the journey about the founders, please follow them. Cheers.